Hi you guys, welcome to My Curious Crafts. This is Shane, and in today's video we're going to be making a super simple, super fast Halloween door hanger. So let's get started. Okay, as you can see you guys, I picked up this umbrella for Easter, but I'm going to show you that it can be used for all seasons, year round. And here I just have a couple of, several floral picks. Some are Dollar Tree and some are 99-cent store. Here's a bow that I made, just a super simple bow, but if you're looking for more in-depth board tutorials, please come back on Wednesday or check out my Bow Wednesday playlist, and I'll link it down in the description box, okay? Alrighty, so I'm going to cut the tag off of this. It was a clearance find, so that was great. I think I got it 90% off or something like that. It was absolutely amazing. So this is going to be super simple, like I said. So you just take those picks, you kind of arrange them. I always arrange my picks when I get them, and you just dump it off in there, right? That's all you have to do. And I just noticed that there's a spot on here, so I'm going to clean that up, but this is just for demonstration purposes. This is not to go in my shop for a client or anything like that. It's just for demonstration purposes. So then I just take another set of floral picks and I put it on the other side. I don't want to use a whole lot of floral picks, but I can almost guarantee you that this is under $20 in floral picks. Okay, so you just kind of arrange them a little bit. You don't even have to do much with this one. This one is super simple. Oops, you guys, I'm giving you a preview of something. We're not doing a bow tutorial here. This is just a bow that we're going to throw on here. Again, remember that I said super simple, super fast. Decorating is not hard. You just got to start with a plan. And this time we're not flying by the seat of our pants. We have a plan here. So we're just going to tie this around and secure it. But we're going to secure it enough to take pictures. But anyway, while we're at it, if you're finding this video helpful, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification, as well as give this video a thumbs up. But at the very least, please leave me a comment. I love to get feedback. And as always, I really, really appreciate you guys taking out the opportunity to spend time with me today. I know you could have been doing something else, but you chose to spend a little time with me, and for that, I'm grateful. Thank you. Be blessed.